Stephanie Everett from the Suburban Chateau, and welcome to day 2 of our countdown to Christmas. Now today I have a special adventure to share with you. Recently, my husband Steve and I took a train trip on a local steam engine excursion train, and it was a lot of fun. It's called the Santa Express, and we live about a mile from a steam railroad experience. It's called the Everett Railroad. And the ironic thing is, of course, our last name is Everett. Many times people will say, do you own the Everett Railroad? And we, of course, don't. But we sure like to ride the excursions so close to our home. And so I would like to take you on this adventure with us, and maybe you can look for something similar where you live to enjoy with your family. In the heart of the Allegheny Mountains, there's a special little town called Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. Hollidaysburg was first laid out in 1796 and was named after Adam and William Holliday, Irish immigrants who founded the settlement. Hollidaysburg became the main transfer point between the Pennsylvania Canal and the Portage Railroad, a gateway to western Pennsylvania. The Canal and Portage Railroad spurred industrial and commercial development in Hollidaysburg in the 1830s. When Blair County was organized in 1846, the borough of Hollidaysburg was designated as the county seat of Blair County in Pennsylvania. Just literally a few steps away from that original canal transfer point in Hollidaysburg is the beautiful Everett Railroad Station, which is the home to the Santa Express, a local short-line excursion train that is quite popular at holiday time. The Everett Railroad was originally incorporated in 1954 in its namesake town of Everett, just 33 miles south of Hollidaysburg. By 1882, it had been essentially abandoned. Then it was sold to Allen Maples and moved here to Blair County. In 1984, Allen Maples was able to make the first run under his ownership, delivering a load of bauxite ore to General Refractories Incorporated. Since then, it has been a carrier freight railroad in the Interstate 99 corridor of Blair County, which includes the communities of Altoona, Roaring Spring, Martinsburg, Claysburg, and Hollidaysburg. In 2015, the short passenger excursion trains began with the Pumpkin Patch and later the Santa Express. In the summer, the train runs passengers to the local town of Roaring Spring for an ice cream treat. This passenger steam train has become a year-round tradition for the local folks and railroad enthusiasts alike. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Suburban Chateau on day 2 of our countdown to Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the Santa Express, and stay tuned for more exciting holiday vlogs.